Hey guys, so for today's video, I created this gorgeous eyeshadow look with the new Geodes palette from What's Up Beauty. So in case you didn't know, What's Up Beauty is actually known for their nail polishes called What's Up Nails. So what they did with this Geodes collection is that they created 6 shades of nail polishes that correspond to 6 shades of the eyeshadow palette. Like, how cute is that? And What's Up Beauty also carries these gorgeous eyeshadow brushes that are handmade in Japan. So I did use their brushes today for this look. This video is kindly sponsored by What's Up Beauty, and in this video we're going to swatch the palette, I'm going to show you the nail polishes, and I'm going to show you exactly how I created this eyeshadow look. So their nail polishes are made in the USA, they are cruelty-free, vegan, and clean. They are $12.75 each, or you can get the collection of 6 colors for $68.85. And I did paint my nails with the crystal color. How gorgeous is this shade? And the eyeshadow palette has 12 eyeshadows. There are 5 duochromes, 2 iridescent shades, and 5 creamy mattes. This is Rock, Crystal, Amethyst, Citrine, Peridot, Clay, Rose Quartz, Agate, Rhodonite, Earth-like, Lava, and Terra. And here are all the shades in the palette. Now let's start the eyeshadow tutorial. All right, and like I said, I will be using their brushes, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with the shade Rhodonite on the R105 brush. And this shade's gonna go in my crease. The shade is so pretty. I love the rosy tone it has. I'm also gonna add that to the outer half of my lid. I'm also going to add this shade to my inner corner. I think I want to do a halo eye today. Now I'm going to take the R102 brush and any skin tone colored powder, and I'm just going to use that to soften out this shade around the edges. Now I'm going to take the R101 brush with more Rhodonite. I'm just going to run that along my lower lash line. This is a really nice shaped little pencil brush. Now I'm going to take the shade Terra on that same little brush, and I'm going to use this to deepen up the inner and outer corner to intensify that halo effect. So I'm starting by just packing this shadow right in here. Then I'm going to go back to the R102 and soften out this shade. These mattes are blending out so beautifully, like it just looks so smooth on the eyes. Okay, I'm ready to add a pop of color, so I'm gonna take their R106 brush and spray that with some setting spray. And I'm gonna pick up the shade Amethyst, and this is gonna go in the middle of my lid where it's blank. You guys know I love a good purple eyeshadow. This is so pretty. Now I'm gonna take Crystal on my finger, which is the polish that I'm wearing on my nails today. Look at how pretty this is. And this is gonna go right on top of Amethyst. I love the pop that this just added. Whew. Now I'm gonna deepen up my lower lash line with more of that Terra shade. And then blending with that R102 brush. I'm gonna take a little more Crystal and try to add that right in the middle of my lower lash line, just to have a little pop of that shimmer down here. Now I'm gonna pick up Rose Quartz, and that's gonna go in my inner corner. The shade has a really pretty pink undertone to it. I love that. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes. I will be right back. All right, here's the eye all done. For my lashes, I popped on my Brand the Bright lashes in the style All Natural. And I did put just a little bit of a nude eyeliner in my waterline, kind of wanted more of like a opening wide effect today. But I love how this eye turned out. I can't get over that crystal shade on the center of my lid. The duochrome reflect in it is so pretty. I also really like the tones of those matte shades, that kind of cool toned mauve-y rosy look. I think it's really on trend right now. So if you want to check out this palette, it is available at whatsupbeauty.com for $41. And again, this palette is cruelty-free and clean beauty. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below, including the palette, the brushes, and the nail polishes. Thank you so much to What's Up Beauty for sponsoring this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.